Sachin Jindal's JSW is close to signing a deal with its Japanese technology partner JFE, which is why you've been seeing a whole round of action and buzz as well around the stock price. The deal has been in the works for quite some time, and sources tell ET now that it will be announced next week. Our reporter Nisha joins in to talk more about that. Nisha, what is the exact deal and how much is JSW expected to raise?
JSW Steel is expected to raise close to $1 billion from its technical partner JFE. The deal is such that JSW Steel will be issuing convertible debentures to JFE for the $1 billion that has to be raised. Now, if you convert that, it will be coming close to 14.9% stake in the company JSW Steel. Sources also tell us that there is a floor and a cap price that is ranging between 1,300 to 1,500 rupees per share for the conversion. Now, 18 months as per regulation is the timeline given for conversion to JFE, and within these 18 months JFE will have to convert, or else after 18 months even JSW has the option of even paying back the amount that has been raised, and JFE may not convert. But nonetheless, at the moment sources are telling us that until the time JFE does not convert this, JSW Steel will consider this as debt and will have to pay interest on these convertible debentures that it has raised at the moment. And what we also hear is that the announcement is expected on 27th of July this month.
All right, Nisha, leave it at that. The stock price currently lying quiet in trade. In fact, earlier on we had spoken with the management of JSW Steel on their fundraising plans. Let's hear them out.
It's a process which is happening right now. It takes time to, it's very difficult for me to fix a timeline for that, the whole process. But we hope that the process gets completed sooner than later.